Hello students, our today's topic is use of logarithmic tables. This is our sixth video based on the topic. In this video, we are going to learn how to read natural sine and natural cosine tables. These tables are called trigonometric tables. In a logbook, there is one more sine and cosine table, namely logarithmic sine and logarithmic cosine. Those table gives direct log value of a sine and cosine angles. In this video, we are concentrate on the natural sine and cosine tables. Let's start with the natural sine. Here is the natural sine table. The very first column of the table represents angle in degree. It starts from 0 degree and ends into 90 degree. From this, we can understand, student, the given table is used to find sine of acute angle only. Next to the degree column, there are 10 more columns which divide into minutes. It starts from the 0 minute and ends into 54 minutes. Now here you can observe one more thing, student. In between any successive minutes column, there is a difference of 5 minutes. That difference gets adjusted by the mean difference, which is start from 1 minute and ends into 5 minutes. Here you can have one more difference over here, student, that just below the row of a minute, that is 0 minute, 6 minute, 12 minute, there is a one more row which represents given minute in the degree. For example, 6 minute is 0.1 degree, 12 minutes 0.2 degree, and so on 54 minutes as a 0.9 degree. Now student, first let's understand the conversion between degree and minutes. 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. Therefore, 0.1 degree is equal to 6 minutes. 2 degree is equal to 120 minutes. 0.2 degree is equal to 12 minutes. Likewise, go on to the conversion. Lastly, you can observe 0.9 degree is equal to 54 minutes. Again, I move to the 1 degree, that gives me 60 minutes. Now student, let's understand how to read the natural sine table with the help of example. Our first example is a sine of 3 degree 42 minutes. To find sine 3 degree 42 minutes, we have to choose 3 degree in the very first column. Along the 3 degree row, I observe value under 42 minutes, which is 0.0645. Our next example, sine 9 degree. As you can see, student, there is no minute present after 9 degree. So in this case, you have to observe 9 degree under 0 minute. So the value is 0.1564. Now let's take one more example, sine 53 degree 34 minutes. Now here you can observe, student, there is no 34 minutes column in the given table. So in this case, how to find sine 53 degree 34 minutes? For that, student, what we have to do, choose minutes slightly less than 34 minutes from the table. Now for the given table, 30 minutes are slightly less than 34 minutes. So I write the angle as sine 53 degree 30 minutes. But still my requirement is a sine 53 degree 34 minutes. So that I need to add 4 more minutes from the mean difference, so that it gives me the required angle of a sine 53 degree 34 minutes. So let's find the value from the table and substitute it. To find sine 53 degree 30 minutes, I choose 53 degree from very first column. Along the 53 degree row, I observe value under 30 minutes. Along the same 53-degree row, I observe value under the 4 minute, and that I will add into the given 0.83 value. So 0.8039 plus 7, that gives me the value 0.8046. So sine 53 degree 34 minutes is equal to 0.8046. Now student, let's understand why we have to add minutes while using the natural sine table. It is because for the greater value of a sine theta, greater is the theta. As we know that sine 0 is 0 and the sine 90 is 1. So the value of an angle go on increasing from 0 degree to the 90 degree. So that my sine 53 degree 30 minutes should be less than sine 53 degree 34 minutes. So it is possible only when I add mean difference. Now let's have one more example of same type. Sine 85 degree 57 minutes. Again, you can see student, there is a node 57 minutes column. So what we have to do? We have to choose minutes slightly less than 57 minutes. That is 54 minutes. Next to that, write the angle sine 85 degree 54 minutes. But my requirement is a 57 minutes. So I need to add 3 minutes in the given angle, that gives me required angle sine 85 degree 57 minutes. Now let's substitute the value from the table. For that, let's choose 85 degree in the very first column. Along the 85 degree row, observe value under 54 minutes. Along the same row, add mean difference under 3 minutes. So it comes out as 0.9974 plus 1, which is equal to 0.9975. So the sine 85 degree 57 minute is equal to 0.9975. Now student, let's use the given table to find sine inverse. Sine theta is equal to 0.2826. Therefore, sine inverse 0.2826 gives me my required angle. To find sine inverse 0.2826, we have to look for the value slightly less than or equal to 0.2826 from the table. So use one trick to find this value. Here you can see student, the given value 0.2826 is greater than 0 and less than 0.5. Why we choose 0 and 0.5? Because we know student that sine 0 is 0 and sine 30 is a 0.5. This value known to us, and that's why I choose this value. So from this you can see that student, the given 0.2826 value I will find in the range of 0 degree to the 30 degree. So that not need to check all the table. We have to just check it within the range of 0 degree to the 30 degree. Now student, here I observe the value which is slightly less than or equal to 0.2826, which is 0.2823. This value I observe along the 16-degree row under 24 minutes. So I mention it over here, sine 16 degree 24 minutes. But my requirement is 0.2826. So I need to add 3. That gives me the 0.2826. From where I have to add this 3? For that, I have to see the mean difference column. In 1 minute, I observe the value 3. So that along the same 16-minute row, So I'm going to add 1 minute in the sine 16 degree 24 minutes. That gives me sine 16 degree 25 minutes. Now let's have one more example. Sine theta is equal to 0.9486. Now theta is equal to sine inverse 0.9486. Look for the value slightly less than or equal to 0.9486. Now student, why we have to choose value less than or equal to 0.9486? Because we have to add mean difference. So the choice of the first angle should be such that when you add mean difference into that, that gives you your required angle. Now student, the given angle is in the range of 0.8660, that is root 3 by 2, and less than 1, so that it is in the range of sine 60 degree and sine 90 degree. Here student, I observe my value which is less than or equal to 0.9486, which is 0.9483. This value I observe along 71 degree under 30 minutes. So I mention it over here, sine 71 degree 30 minutes. But my required value will be complete when I add 3 in the value of a 0.9483, which gives me required value as a 0.9486. So I have to choose 3 in the minute part. So here under 3 minutes, I can observe the difference of a 3 along the same 71 degree row under 3 minutes. So I mention 3 minutes over here that I add into sine 71 degree 30 minutes. That gives me the required angle sine 71 degree 33 minutes. Now let's summarize the thing. The rule for the use of a natural sine is that add minutes and mean difference. Student, the same topic we are going to continue in our next video. Keep watching video. Thank you.